model is the hydraulic drill. This model is based on simple Pascal law, which states that when pressure is applied, it gets transmitted equally in all directions. When we turn on the switch, the drill gets worked, and we can move the drill up and down with the help of the syringes. The beauty of this model is that it helps you know that simple force can multiply into bigger force.
It works on the principle of electromagnetism. Here we have a simple iron nail and we have coiled a copper wire on it. When we apply electric current, it behaves as a magnet and lifts the iron object. See, this is how it lifts the iron object. And when we off the electric current, it drops the iron object. This is how it works in industries to lift heavy objects of iron.
This model demonstrates how our body filters waste material from our blood and removes it in the form of urine.
So now when she presses the syringe, a red colored liquid flows through the system, which represents blood.
The blood first enters the kidneys, which is our main filtration unit. This shows how the blood removes excess water and waste material from the body.
Now after filtration, the waste materials from the kidneys travels into the ureters like this. And when the urinary bladder is filled up, it comes out of our body through urethra.
The clear flow of liquid in this model makes it easy to visualize how kidneys clean our blood, how urine is formed and stored, and how it exits the body.
Take a tour through the city and see how the different segments of commerce work hand in hand. First, we have the advertisement segment of commerce.
Advertisement segment helps to remove the hindrance of knowledge. It provides us knowledge about the newly launched products in the market.
Next, we have the insurance segment of commerce.
Insurance segment helps to recover the risk. It removes the hindrance of risk.
Next, we have the warehousing segment of commerce.
Warehousing helps to remove the hindrance of time.
Our model is flour mill. Our model shows that how wheat grains are grinded into wheat flour. Let us see the working of the flour mill. Hopper, where the wheat grains are added, wheat grains goes to the grinding unit. Here the wheat gets grinded. The grinded wheat goes through the sieve, and from sieve, fine wheat come out from the outlet. Now, the main application of the chemistry in the model is that grinding reduces the size of the particle, not the chemical structure. Thanks. we will on the switch to give the stimulus.
As soon as the stimulus received by dendrites, the impulse begins in the sensitive neuron, shown by LED1 lighting up. The impulse travels along the axon, the lights blink in the sequence, simulating the wave of depolarization.
As soon as the impulse reaches the axon terminal, it can't directly jump to the next neuron. Instead, it crosses a synaptic gap using neurotransmitter, which is chemical synapses.
Finally, the impulse reaches the motor neuron, which is connected to the muscle fiber. Here, the connection is electrical synapse, allowing direct transmission and direct connection. As soon as this happens, the muscle contraction is shown by the moving part, representing the action at the muscle fiber.